Hello and welcome. In this packet tracer activity, we're going to explore some of the features that are available to you within the Cisco IOS command line interface. So to do so, we're going to select on the customer PC, navigate to the desktop, and click on the terminal, which is an emulation for a connection terminal between a PC and a router. We'll leave these settings on the default and say OK. The first thing you need to do is you need to press enter at this command line interface. It gets you to your basic command prompt as being the customer router, and then from here you can go ahead and type in question mark to get a nice helpful list of executive commands that you can enable here at this point. But what we want to do is we want to get to enable. So you can easily just put in the first two letters of any of these commands here, as long as there are no other commands that emulate the same two letters, and hit enter. Now you can see it looks, our prompt looks a little bit different. Instead of the greater than sign, it is the pound sign. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type in conf and see what happens when you press the tab key. Notice how it automatically puts in configure. That is a great thing. So that way, if you're unsure if you have the proper shortcut to any command, and you hit the tab key, it will go ahead and put out the whole thing for what you're trying to put in. So from here, let's go ahead and go to configure terminal. Okay. So what we can do is just do configure T, enter, and now we are inside the configurations of this router. At this point here, I'm going to go ahead and show you what are some nifty little commands. If you have typed in some previous commands and you want to recall them, you can do so by hitting the up arrow or the down arrow to go ahead and scroll through them. And now, unfortunately, with inside this configuration, I don't have any commands that I've typed in. So let's go ahead and exit out of this. And then I will show you the ones that are available to you from the previous command. So there's en, conf t, and that's just by hitting the up and down arrow. So let's go ahead and go back into the conf t. And there you go, you're back into the configuration. So for right now, that's all that we're pretty much going to show you. But what you can do is you can go ahead and exit out, back down, and let's say you want to get out of the main pound sign and go back to the regular greater than. So we'll go ahead and type in DI for disable. Okay. DIS. Let's go ahead and actually type it out all the way out. And there you go. Have to actually type out the whole thing. So disable gets you back to the greater than. And that is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.